How to resize image in Canva without cropping. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can resize the image in Canva without cropping. To know how you can do it, watch this video till the very end. First of all, go to the Google Play Store and make sure you have installed and updated the latest version of Canva on your device. Tap Canva and see if it is updated and installed to the latest version or not. So after you have already installed and updated, open and log into your account. Now just choose a photo and now you want to resize it. You can simply do it by cropping like this and adjusting it, but you don't want to adjust it and you want to resize the very photo. Then what you can simply do is tap on this very photo and now tap on the very three horizontal dots on the top side. Now when you do this, when you see many options right here, you want to resize it, so just tap on the very resize option. Even though this is a pro effect, you should use money credit card to use it, but you can also try it for free. So you can simply tap on the resize option. Now you can custom your resize option as well by width and height and also pixels. And when you do this and tap on try it free for 14 days, you can simply start your free trial. Now for this you can simply tap the cross option and try it for 3 days and it will be visible right here. So you must need to put in the credentials of your credit card for that, and you can try it for free and then it will be resized immediately without any croppings or adjusting. So that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you for watching.